Introduction. JavaScript is used to make web pages interactive. One of the ways to write efficient JavaScript code is by handling errors effectively using try-catch. Try-catch statement in JavaScript is used to handle exceptions. Understanding try-catch. The try-catch statement is composed of a try block and a catch block. The try block contains the code that may potentially throw an exception. If an exception occurs, the catch block is executed, working with try-catch. A simple example demonstrates how try-catch works. Code within the try block attempts to access an element at an index that does not exist, causing an exception. The catch block catches this exception and logs the error message. Tips and tricks. Always use the try block around the code that might throw an exception. Include a catch block for every try block. Log the error message in the catch block for debugging. Common error-prone cases. One common error is trying to access a property of an object that does not exist. Always check if a property exists before trying to access it. Another common mistake is forgetting to include the catch block after the try block. Conclusion. The try-catch statement in JavaScript is a powerful tool for handling exceptions. By using try-catch properly, we can ensure that our JavaScript code is robust and resilient to errors.